What's going on, y'all? Listen, today has been such a crazy day. Starting from the pre-market, listen, I got up an hour early because I just wanted to be ready for the numbers, man. I didn't know what it was gonna be. The anticipation, I was on the edge of my seat. Listen, man, it was crazy. So we got that 7.7 number. I'm sure you are familiar with that number now. And you know that was phenomenal for what we needed the market to do, at least in the short term. So I have Tesla pulled up because I want to talk about Tesla. I'm really excited about the action that took place, and I want to talk about it. I have a position in Tesla, and I'm gonna go through that. I just want to kind of show you guys what I'm liking about Tesla right now. I ended up getting a position probably around this 186-ish area. So I like that it was at a support level. You can see my little pink box here. So I like that we were here, and I figured it would be, my risk to reward would probably be pretty good had I got in and have a tight stop loss at about 184 or something like that. I had a stop loss there, so I knew if it came there, I was getting out. But so when I got in, this actually was going back up. You see the wick here, and let me zoom in so you guys can probably see that even better. So yeah, I got in somewhere here, but it was pushing back up, and so I just kind of caught it on the way back. And so right now I'm still in it. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna stay in it for a little bit. I think the market is not the market. I think Tesla is going up. Yeah, I think the market is going up too. Obviously today we had a pretty good day. SPX, I'm looking at about 5.5%. VIX and Dixie kind of down today, which is good for the market. So yeah, market kind of went up today, and a lot of stocks did, and so did Tesla. So I want to get more into what Tesla did. So listen, what I'm excited about Tesla is this, and I don't know if you guys see it, but what I'm seeing is I'm seeing this right here. And I'll just, I'm new to using TradingView, y'all. I normally use Thinkorswim, but I decided to use TradingView today. So I'm trying to get familiar with all the tools. But all right, so what I'm seeing is looking like to me a bull flag, guys. Looking like to me a bull flag. This is kind of how I had it drawn earlier today. Trying to get it right, and I'll probably just put that back down somewhere there. So what I'm seeing is that bull flag, right? Not the best looking bull flag, but looks to me to be a bull flag. What I really enjoyed was this 1 hour candle, man. This juicy green 1 hour candle came at the end of the day. We needed that push up in order to break above our line here. We broke above, and not only that, if y'all have been following Tesla, you know that 190 is an area of support or resistance, right? You know that. If you've been following Tesla, you know it. You also know that this 180, 85, 186 area is kind of a resistance level too, or support level, whichever way you look at it. So I knew that this candle, I was like, man, if this candle can hold above 190, we can close above 190, I felt pretty good. That would have made me feel pretty good going into tomorrow. And as you can see in the after hours, we have this, green candle, kind of starting here. I am on the 1 hour chart, but so you can see that actually was a good sign. This doesn't mean too much right now, but it's a good sign at least that we might continue to see some more upward momentum going into tomorrow. Also, I have my 8 EMA pulled up in yellow, and I have a 45 EMA pulled up in this blue color here. I hope y'all can see that, but I have that pulled up. So I like these 2 EMAs. To me, when they cross, it's a good chance that we will see a change of direction. Doesn't mean that it happens all the time. Some cases it will cross and then it will cross back. Definitely seen that a few times. So, but this is telling me that we are on our way, man. We're on our way up to meet this 45 and potentially get across. And if we get that cross, we're looking at this 194-ish, 195, I'll even say 196-ish area. If we can get that, get this move up, maybe it happens overnight, maybe it happens tomorrow. I do think tomorrow we will hit 194. We'll hit this area, 194, 195, 196-ish area. I'm hoping, hoping that we can continue to go past this 194 through 196 area and up to this 200 area. Definitely hoping for that. You know, it's not guaranteed. Maybe it might happen next week, but definitely would be nice to see. If you've been following Tesla any period of time, you know the 200 is definitely a strong level. Even though it is a psych level, it is also a strong level. Seems to be sellers there waiting to do what they do. So anyway, let me show you one last thing, guys, that I'm seeing with Tesla that I'm really liking. That's making me feel very confident about us potentially seeing this move higher now. I'm seeing, guys, inverted head and shoulders, and I'm gonna draw it here. Here's our shoulder. Yeah, here's our shoulder there. Here's our neckline, first neckline right there, first neckline point, I guess. Here we got our head over here somewhere, and then we have our second neckline point right there, and then we have our shoulder here. And this candle was so nice to see because that to me is like a completed shoulder for me, right? For me, right? So now we have that shoulder, our second shoulder, and you can see where we are headed to, guys. That is what I am so excited about right now. I haven't watched any YouTube videos or seen what people are saying. This is my own opinion and my own analysis on what I am seeing. If you guys want more videos like this, as you can see, my last video was like a year ago or something like that. But I'm really excited. I had to get on here and do something like this just because I watch these type of videos all the time, and I wanted to just kind of give my own opinion on what I think is happening. So yeah, I think Tesla's going up, guys. Tomorrow may be a good chance to kind of get in and maybe get in on some of the fun, man. So anyway, I'll zoom out before I go. Don't get it twisted. Like, we're still in this bearish trend. Like, we're still in a bear trend. Yeah, bear trend, right? So it's just in the short term, I'm thinking that we are on our way up, and so we shall see. We still have to get, before we can get into, you know, a actual reversal, we will definitely need to break through this trend line, this trend line here. So until we do that, we are still in a bear trend, but just in the short term, looks like we will be heading up higher. So with that being said, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment. Please like the video, share the video. That helped me to know that, hey, this was actually somewhat good to you and you took something from it. If not, that's cool too. But just thank y'all, man, for watching. Thank y'all for listening. And we'll be back next time. Until then, peace.